What's the meaning of badge? Badge. Badge.
Badge. Badge. The term badge can refer to a number of things, including a small piece of metal or fabric that is worn on clothing as a symbol of achievement or affiliation, a digital icon used to signify accomplishment or recognition in online communities, and a sticker or emblem that is used to label or identify an item or location. Badges can be earned through participation in various activities, such as volunteer work, completing coursework, or demonstrating a particular skill or knowledge set. They can also serve as a way to establish credentials or authority within a specific field or community. Overall, badges are a versatile and meaningful way to acknowledge and celebrate accomplishments.